So here we are again, guys. A little bit of an update here, which will go to mini vlog Monday. I'm having where I was driving home last night on the highway, and then I heard a sound that was like, it sounded like something hit the right side of my car. So I got home and I checked it, and there is no right headlight trim around my car anymore. So that happened now. That's great. And then I have this thing that I still haven't mailed back yet, which I'm mailing Monday when this video will go up. This will be mailed. This is the replacement part I got from Rock Auto that doesn't fit the car no matter what I do. So I went ahead, took the hit, and ordered a little bit of a genuine part. I used the website that some people said they had really good experience from, that sell genuine, mini parts, rather than paying like $300 for a headlight trim. So I'm attempting to learn manual on the Mini, and so far I made it to work without over attacking it or messing up anything, which is amazing. And I believe my Mini is it a 6-speed? Somebody can correct me below, but I believe it's a 6-speed. Okay, and it was way easier for me to learn the gears on the MX3 because it was only 4. And just for me, it's simpler. I know somebody who cannot drive a 5. They cannot drive a 5-speed. They can drive a 4-speed. They can drive a 6-speed. They can't drive a 5 because they can never get the timing down for when it's needed for when to shift the car. Even though you're supposed to pay attention to the tach, understandably. But eventually you have to get used to where you don't look at the tach anymore. So what it comes down to is he's just not able to do it, and he's not 100% sure why. But I thought I'd add this in the mini vlog Monday. There'll probably be more videos throughout the week. But yeah, I'll check you guys, in the video, because it's still going right now. You guys still watching the video? Hopefully you're still watching the video. If you're not watching the video, I don't know what to tell you. Hey, mini vlog Monday. I know it's not going up on Monday, but just thought I'd show you guys why it didn't go up on Monday is because of this. Bam. Chrome trim is back. There. I know it's a little difficult to see, but maybe from the side, there you go. It's back, it's on there, there's no chips, there's no cracks. Perfect perfection. Whoever told me to go to like auto or outmotor.com. Some people said they were expensive, but it worked. So, thank you very much for that. Thought I'd intervene in this video and explain why Mini Vlog Monday was so late.